much you have?
It's
91.
go.
Come in.
It's his first time he's ever bought anything. It's his whole savings. He's gonna find out what happens when you spend your whole savings on one thing in the store for your whole life. His whole life savings gone.
One? Give me one.
Is that enough, Jack? How much did she ask for?
One.
One? It's a 10.
Can you ask her how much it is? Ask her how much it is. She said it was $10.91. You need to give her at least. You have to give her at least 11. You have to give her more than $10.91. Open that wallet up.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
You have to, or you can't have it. She can't give you your
$10.
fire. It's a fire alarm. He's gonna make noise. She can't give you your fire alarm minion if you don't give her your money. Open your wallet up.
Okay.
Do you have something that's bigger than 10 in there?
I do have
You have it? Oh my God, you have
That's
20.
20.
Good. You know what it is, huh? Give it to her.
Then
Now is she gonna keep all of it, or is she gonna give you some back? Jack. Remember, if you can't count, everyone's gonna steal your money. Even people who can't read can count money. People who never went to school can count money. You gave her enough. You gave her a 20. She's gonna give you money back.
Handsome,
If you walk away, she's gonna give it to somebody else.
you don't want your money back?
You better get your money, bud. You worked hard for that.
This is the $1.